This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Kristi Montgomery. Motivated seller priced to sell ! Roof will need to be replaced ! Beautiful updated home with luxury porcelain tiles, custom cabinetry, renovated bathrooms and quartz countertops. Close to public boat ramp, beaches, airports, and shopping. Oversized corner lot, plenty of room for boat or RV. There is also a den that can be used as an office. Garage workshop. Plenty of room for a pool. Plenty of room for entering with sunroom. For more information, review the details below or contact Kristi Montgomery at 239-443-3160.